presented by the Honorable Chief Minister for 26-27. Speaker sir, while presenting the budget, the Honorable Chief Minister quoted these two lines from a poem. राष्ट्र भक्ति ले हृदय में हो खड़ा यदि देश हमारा, संकट पर मत कर यह राष्ट्र विजय हो हमारा. Speaker sir, these lines convey a very meaningful message for all of us. First, victory over crisis. Just as the sun cannot be hidden by darkness, in the same way the crisis facing our nation cannot overpower it if we remain united and determined. Second, steadfastness towards our goals. The people of our country should not stop or set back in fear of obstacles and challenges. Instead, we should move forward with courage and determination, overcoming our difficulties. Third, dedication and unity. If all citizens rise above their personal interests and stand together for the nation, then our country will certainly be able to defeat every challenge and emerge victorious. Speakers of these lines remind us of the strength of our nation lies in unity, dedication, and collective efforts of its people. We all love our nation. It lives in our hearts, and therefore we must always value the feelings and aspirations of our citizens. Today, across every corner of Goa, we are witnessing growing agitations against the government. This clearly shows that the sentiments of and concern of the people are not being adequately valued. Earlier, I had expressed my concerns through the press and even through even this house. Today, we can see that Goa is moving in a wrong direction in terms of development across the state. A huge number of trees have been cut down in the name of development, causing serious environment concerns. It appears that our development, it is what is happening today, even don't spare our sacred places, nature, heritage that define Goa. Development should never come at the cost of environment, our culture, or our faith of our people. True development must be sustainable, inclusive, and respectful on the sentiments of the citizens. Another matter of concern is the erosion of public trust in the democratic process. Legislatures changing loyalties after election is been seen as a betrayal of mandate given by the people. We must remember that each of us are here because of the trust and support of the people, and it is our duty to honor and respect the mandate. Speaker sir, the government must have been having the numbers today, but that don't define good governance. What truly matters is whether the government listen to the voices of the people. Speaker sir, Chief Minister Zaidpad Muda, that je Congressan kelna te am kelmun. Definitely, Congressan je kelna the last 60 years this government has done. We are almost in 35,000 crore debt. And ito tu hisab kel deler, it is like almost 2 lakhs odd on each of our government. Speaker sir, this is actually what is the budget, what government as Honorable Chief Minister presented. 35,000 crore we are in debt. Speaker sir, while there, I would like to thank the Chief Minister for the third district, which is Kushavati. And since I am also a part of Kushavati, and Kepe will be the center of Kushavati. Kepe will be the center of Kushavati. So I appreciate that, and we welcome the decision. Speaker sir, but मागचा चीफ मिनिस्टर हुई तरी फाट पडो ते एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आता 6 महिने झाले जे आता कुशावती डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ब्लॉक हुई येतलो आहा ते पुलिस स्टेशनाचे लास्ट 5.5 महिने झाले फाईल चीफ मिनिस्टर 5 कोट्यांची आमगेली ती अजून सँक्शन जायना. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द थर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट, बट बेसिक ज्यो वस्तू आहाय म्हाका दिसता अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल ते प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर म्हणून थिंगा एक्चुअली केपें शुड हॅव बीन अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ हॉस्पिटल जावपाचो आसले तो दर्ज केन्ना मेळटलो. दीस आर द थिंग्स मागीर सुद्दां सरकार हॅड टू पुट इन ऑर्डर लास्ट 6 मंथ्स. आज पासून ते कांय ना. कृषी घर म्हूण आहा, इट वॉज वॉट फावंडेशन स्टोन घाल्लो कितले तेंप जालो आतां तेज कांय हेंच ना. नाव एटलीस्ट वेन द थर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट फॉर्मुलेट जाता म्हाका सुद्दां ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर हॅड टू पुट ऑल दीस इन टू द बजट आनी सांगपा जाय आसलें. बस स्टॉप आहलें, फावंडेशन स्टोन घाल्लो. नाव केपें विल बी द सेंटर फॉर दीस न्यू डिस्ट्रिक्ट. बस स्टॉपाचे कांय ना थिंगा. स्पीकर सर, रोड एक कायलो फ्रॉम काणकोण टू केपें येता म्हूण, अँड इट वोंट बी अ स्मॉल रोड. एक 5-10 कोट्यांचो न्हू. हे बजेटांत तितून कांयच उल्लेखूच ना. काणकोण सावन केपें एक रोड म्हणून दाखयलो फ्रॉम सांगे that side. It will be a major project. That is nothing is there on this budget. म्हाका सुद्दां फकत विरेसान म्हणल्यार फोटाश्यो मात ते भाशेन बजेटाचेर उलोवप आश्वासन दिवप गेल्या त्या वर्सा सांगलो ह्या वर्सा सांगप हे इतलेंच आहा. स्पीकर सर, I appreciate the government to establish आमगेली जे गोवा यात्री निवास at पंढरपुरा. Definitely जे आमगेले केपेंच्या मतदारसंघाचे जायते भाव भयण ह्या निवास वयता यात्रे वयताय. And we appreciate that the government has purchased that land in पंढरपुरा आणि जे यात्रेकार वयताय तांकां कितें फॅसिलिटी अमाउंट दितो म्हणून सांगला. That also I appreciate. It's a very good step. But in the same way last sessionaक जेन्ना आमी मागिल्लें वेलिंकिनी एक आमकां तांकां जमीन घेच म्हणून Honorable Chief Minister just mentioned that we are going to see a place in Velinkini म्हणून तेवूय त्याच टायमार जाल्लें. सो what I urge the government Velinkini. So तेजे अजून काय उल्लेख केला होच सांगिल्ला थिंग चोयतो म्हणून. I think so government has to be serious. थिंगा एक ती जमीन घेवन तेका allocate करपालें आनी सांगपालें थिंग केलें तशें करून Velinkini जावपाक जाय आशिल्लें which is not been highlighted. Speaker sir, सरकारान ह्या बजेटान जे सांगलां की जे more than 10 years जो कोण स्टाफ जाल्ले कोणा तांकां फिक्स केलाय म्हणून. बट म्हाका दिसता हो जण अजुनय जे 10 वर्स न्हू 20 वर्सान जाल्यार ते रिटायरमेंट जावपा आहाय आनी एक 2-3 म्हयन्यांनी आमचे बरें कोण येयले तांकां अजून म्हाका दिसता कांय तांचे कांय उलयल्लें ना. स्पीकर सर, जेन्ना वॉट आय वूड लायक टू सजेस्ट द गव्हर्मेंट इज जेन्ना तुमगे रिक्रुटमेंट जाता ऑन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसीस the government should lay down some norms and guidelines. Otherwise, every time you go and when you speak about those para teachers, तांकांय तुमी केन्ना फॉरेस्टांचे इतले आहाय ते स्टाफ हो तें रिटायरमेंट जावपा जालें 15-18 वर्सां हांवें ड्रायव्हर्स आहाय बाकीचे फॉरेस्ट गार्ड आहाय नो वन हॅज बीन देर तांकां फिक्स कोणाय. स्पीकर सर, हें कितें जाता फकत सांगपाचें जाता बट ऑन पेपर एक्चुअली म्हाका दिसता हें जायना. सो गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू take it seriously or contract basis जे staff आहाय तांकां फिक्स करपाचें. स्पीकर सर, staff working as security guards गोवा ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंटान तांकां जायत म्हाका posting almost 30 to 40-45 kilometers पयस दिताय. So government has to come with a clear policy. Actually there is a policy where it's saying within that certain kilometers they have to work. म्हाका दिसता it's a long distance आनी लोकांक इतले त्रास जाताय ते सकाळ समज 9 ड्युटी पावता दे हॅव टू लीव फ्रॉम काणकोण खोतीगांव लोलया शेळीन तिनासून पणजे येताले तांकां शहरांचे 5 उठोन वचपा पडटा आनी मागीर ते आमदारां मंत्र्यांक बरयताय कोणा राग आल्यार रागूय काडटाय आनी तसलो जाता. सो गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू कम विथ अ पॉलिसी दॅट दे हॅव टू बी विथीन 30 or 25 kilometers. दे डोंट फेस दीस प्रॉब्लम. स्पीकर सर, जेन्ना आमी प्लॅनिंग स्ट्रॅटेजिक्साचेर उलयताय इन हीज बजेट आमगेल्या ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगला पीपल अपडेट द आधार कार्ड्स. स्पीकर सर, आमकां आधार कार्ड सेंटर्स म्हाका दिसता एवरी तालुका आसपाची गरज आसा. आनीक आतां जे आधार कार्डाचे जे तांकां अपॉइंटमेंट घेताय इन अ डे दे टेक ओन्ली 20 or 30 आनीक जायत पाटी तांकां आपयताय आनी इन 1 day आखो दीस पिडे जातलो. दे हॅव समटायम दे हॅव टू कम बॅक केन्ना इंटरनेट चलना हें बाकी हो जायत डिफिकल्टीज आहाय. 15 minutes it is there decided 15 minutes. I'll speak for 15 minutes. Speak 15 and 15 that is separate. तेगे LOP के सेपरेट आमकां 15 आम तिनू आमदार आहाय इसरोलो 8 गेले 8 गेले आम दोगांनी ओले. स्पीकर सर द गव्हर्मेंट ना 8 गेले आमगे 15 and 15 30 आनी आमगे LOP उलयला. तूं ते 8 11 हिसाब कोता इकरा ना आम तिगू जाण उलय. स्पीकर सर ना स्पीकर सर कित 2 त्यो स्पीकर सर 15 मिनट त्यो. Speaker sir, the government should aim to make people happy by announcement, but not on announcement on paper. आमगे स्पीकर की जाता चीफ मिनिस्टर अनाउन्समेंट सगळी करता गेलते वर्साक जे उलयले तेच ह्याच वर्सा सांगता बट ऑन ग्राउंड काय ना. गेलते पडी आतां स्पीकर सर चीफ मिनिस्टर सेड that 21.77 crores have been implemented to CSR funds. मगे मतदारसंघा माता CSR फंडा 1 रुपया दिल ना. So it is only for the ruling. आमकां CSR फंड आमकां दिवपाक कोणना. देर इज नथिंग. सो गव्हर्मेंट शूड नॉट बी बायस आपणाक दिवपाक आमकां कांय दिलना नॉट इवन अ सिंगल रुपी. You all are in the ruling, no? That's why. Speaker sir, when we speak about education, 3,430 crore has been allocated to education sector. Speaker, it's a welcome step. But Speaker sir, KPM मतदारसंघात म्हाका आज पासून कितल्योच एड्युकेशना फॅसिलिटीज दिवपाच्यो आमी हाडले बाल रथ 20 years जाली काँग्रेसा टायमार ज्यो बस दिल्यो त्योच घेवन तुमी जोरयताय त्यो चेंज कराय मरे काँग्रेसान केला म्हणटा तुम्ही आता तुम्ही बसीन पयस घाले एलोकेट कराय फंड त्यो एक ड्रायव्हर हा पापांच आमगे बाळ्ळी गव्हर्मेंट हायस्कुलांक वन ड्रायव्हर इज दे तो बाबा सकाळ 4:30 5 उठोन ट्रीप मारता 3 ट्रिप्स करतो जस्ट वन ड्रायव्हर ते बसी एस्ता चोयल जाल्यार म्हाका सदां फेस्ता पावला सो डू दॅट नो वॉट काँग्रेस हॅज नॉट डन यू ऑल डू इट नाव एटलीस्ट वी हॅव डन दीस गिवन दीस बसीस बालरथ ह्यो मातशें चेंज कराय स्पीकर सर क्लासरूम्स टॉयलेट फॅसिलिटीज आर नॉट देअर इन द स्कूल्स आता 3,500 कोटी आम्ही एलोकेट केला किती करपा ते आता इट इज जस्ट ऑन पेपर यू कम एंड सी द बेसिक फॅसिलिटीज ऑफ द स्कूल्स एक बाकी ग्रामीण ह्या भागांत चोय स्पीकर सर आय एम प्राऊड दॅट आय गव्हर्मेंटा सांगो सोदता हांव आमडा लॉज कोना बट सांगता ऑलमोस्ट 18 lakhs I have spent and I have built a primary school with 3 classrooms from my own cost. Morpilla, Kazuwada Ringa, which you all could not do for so many years. So after allocating so much of money, where the money is going, basic facilities Magzista, Sarkar, yes, Klang, with Jubalio, Yazun Dinai. Because sir, there is one very important point, double part-time teachers Mudalio, which were teaching for the past 10 to 15 years, double part-time teachers. And for the last 4 years, they have been given the status of contractual teachers. Because of then Chief Minister Muta, ki ami 10-15 वर्सां तांकां सगळ्यांक फिक्स कोतले. Does these teachers come in this purview? Itu etli to teachero. They also will be given as permanent teachers, this double part-time teachers. Just the government has to clarify if even these teachers will be made permanent. Speaker sir, when we speak about the roads, definitely I am thankful to the honorable PW minister Digambar Kamath. It's amgele ek 7-8 roste from Kepe to Barli, from amgele Salari to Khola. Ye amka the PW minister and amka approve kon dilay. We are grateful for that. But there are more roads which have to be passed tender jaloi. Amka tencha financial expenditure sanction melpa deo. Please see that you all do it because these are the basic things what a common man requires. Better roads, better health, education, electricity. Because sir, when we talk about drinking water, I thank the Honorable Minister Drinking Water Department, Bab Subhashak. Lot of work has been taken under his ministry. But even now, there are some pipelines which have to be changed. Congress time jo gaillo 50 hours पहिली तो pipeline change apadeo. Our minister urged that has to be taken. Speaker sir, when we talk about electricity department, Speaker sir, Amgele Barli, Honorable Chief Minister had promised me last year that Barli substation approved Adlimun. At आज पासून त्या Barli substation approved जायना. आमका एक JE for almost 3 panchayats, one JE which is in Barli, which is in Barshe, which is in 44 panchayats, Morpilla and Fatorpa. Anona kita power minister आणि झाला JE घे आणि एक JE 4 पंचायत हँडल करता which is I think so very bad. So the honorable minister, chief minister has to look into this matter. Speaker sir, when we talk about underground cabling, there are 4 panchayats which is Barshe, 3 panchayats Morpilla and Fatorpa. आमका underground cabling जाय पास पड जाल्यार त्रास जाताय वाड मार जाल्यार झाडां it comes on hilly terrain. आमका underground cabling is need of the hour. So I urge, last year honorable chief minister had promised, but this year budget there is nothing of underground cabling. आमका काय आणि केपेंच्या मतदारसंघ म्हळ्यार म्हाका सध्या आमगेले काँग्रेसा मतदारसंघ म्हळ्यार एक उल्लेख ना of केपें मतदारसंघ in the budget to what काम कितें घाल. Speaker sir, when we talk about tourism, Speaker sir, 385 crores have been made given to tourism department. Speaker sir, आमगेले हनुमान मंदिर म्हणा Siramudi Morpilla last assembly had spoken about it and the chief minister has said I will look into the matter, but nothing has been allocated to this place. That's a very good place. It's right on the top of a hill and एक बरी religious thing एक tourism spot करू आता मागसा that also is not there. When we talk about tourism, chief minister सांगता 10% increase in foreign tourists. Who says? I don't know about chief minister hotel bitel आज आम्हाला खबर ना, but मुको hotel मा खबर सा there is a downfall in there is downfall in foreign tourists. Charters has been come down. Ration, see, we are surviving on foreign tourism, major on rations. Ration charters, ration guests have come down.
War, war.
Because sir, No, no,
Russia
Mr.
war.
Potash thing सांगना काय? Where there is increase of foreign tourists? There is no increase. Basic
safe
facilities
here.
नाही. Basic facilities on the beach, like Benauli beach, एक changing room ना, toilet ना, कित करू? See, people are coming to गोंय बोर म्हणत आहे. But government हुई तरी फाट पडा. इतली
you.
event आ 700-800 कोटी टू मोठा event आ. Put it
Alex
just
Reginald.
0.1% for these tourists. आमके एक हे करपा लाय. When they सांगतो
Alex Reginald.
this has not been a speaker sir, Master Rao. When we speak about transport,
Mr. Alex
बापा
Reginald.
उल्हास सदांच मुठा बस नाही म्हणून.
Honorable
Now
Alex
government has said,
Reginald.
government has 134
You are
buses
speaking.
will be
Tell Mr.
brought.
Dolph.
There are no buses. आमका बसी नाही थिंगा कदम buses.
Honorable
There are
Alex
routes
Reginald, are
in
you
Kola,
speaking?
in Barse, that there are no KTC buses flying.
Okay, Honorable
Speaker sir,
Alex.
तू उलोपा दिना. Just speaker sir, आता उलोपाचे आमगेले उलोपाचे काम. हे माझं
मिनिट
तू
जाण
ऐकून
गेले
घे.
बरे. आणि किती
Because-
जाय उलवतलो?
अरे तिथं तुम कोणी आम उलोयताय तरी at least let it be on record. आम उलोयला आम
Record
लोकांना का.
15 minutes.
तुम
Reginald,
दिताय ना
please
दिताय
speak.
it's a
You are
different
speaking.
thing.
I'll tell,
You all are not given us to speak. Speaker sir,
Honorable Alex Reginald.
let's 2 minutes. Speaker sir,
Reginald.
then we'll talk about panchayat. One second. 7th pay panchayati 7th as a staff आहे. तुम्ही त्यांना 7th pay